Kelly, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to create this makeup look. This is a warm peachy V-Day makeup look, very appropriate for like first date, dinner date, or like even going out for like a picnic date. I don't know, like what are you guys doing for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day? And also I'm wearing the lenses from Kristin. I love it. I have a discount code down below. You will get 10% off the entire bill, and they have like a ton of different contact lens design for you to choose from. Okay, so let's hop right into the makeup tutorial. Let's go! This is really bright in here. Okay, I have this top, pretty cute top here, and then with a cute necklace. Anyways, if you guys notice, I removed my eyelash extension, so I look really bare right now. Anyways, today I'm feeling super dizzy and like just like nauseated because I always have this indigestion problem, and then I always need to get Gaviscon, but today I'm just trying to like fight it with my own like immune system. Anyways, recently I just recovered from a horrendous fever, and then I had like body aches and everything. I just wanted to rant that like Singapore's medical bills are so expensive. I went to the GP twice, and per visit it was like $100 over. So crazy that the medical bills here are just so freaking overpriced. The first time I went, I only had like painkillers, and I had to spend like $100 over. I don't know why. I am actually so insecure about my eyes. Like when I don't have my eyelashes on, right, like I just feel that like I look like another person. And then today I'm just like exceptionally bloated and also pale. But I just wanted to do this video so, you know, in future, like when I look back to this video, I'll be like, I embraced my eyes, I embraced my skin, and I'm gonna conquer this world. Okay lah, being like overly dramatic, but yeah, we're just gonna start with the makeup. I'm just like blabbering a lot, and you know, recently with the coronavirus, like I'm just like super paranoid. So now today I'm just gonna settle down, have a good talk to you guys, and also put on some makeup. I feel like I haven't been updating my social media for quite a long time, about like 1.5 weeks now, because I've been sick for like a week, and then I haven't been like uploading anything. I have already edited some of the videos. I am gonna post it out soon, but I'm just gonna put out this Valentine's Day makeup ASAP because next week's Valentine's Day and everyone's gonna have a date except me. I'm just kidding, like I really just heck it. Right now I'm at this stage where like I'm like totally fine with being alone. Like this is the longest that I've been single, like for the past 4 years. It's my 5th month right now being single, and I'm feeling a-okay. Okay, right now I'm just gonna start off with this Beauty Blender Serum Primer. It's the Opal Essence one, and this is a base serum with like extra hydration. Pretty cool. I actually won like a Sephora gift box in January, and then they have this here. This is the Opal Essence, and it's like in this clear gel. Oh, it smells really good. Oh my god, it smells so good, and it's so hydrating, and it's not tacky at all. I wish we could, you know, just talk a lot more on like Instagram or like in my comment box down below, because I feel like I should just be engaging with this community right here, because you guys are precious. For foundation, I'm going in with this Nude Stick Tinted Cover Foundation. This is a sample size from Sephora. This is the Nude 3.5, and I got 2 bottles of this because I really like it. You can just get it from the rewards. So this tinted cover foundation is like a tinted moisturizer. It's very light and doesn't give too much of a like high coverage, but I like it. It's very like minimal and very fresh on my skin. Oh yeah, but I've been shopping a lot more, which is bad because I guess ever since I was sick, right, like I was down with fever and flu and whatever, I just had a lot of time on my own at home. So I went online and got like these two palettes from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just gonna do a review for you guys soon. Today I'll be like briefly using them. Anyways, bought a lot of things, and then I bought like Crave Beauty skincare products. I really love like Leah Yu. She's like the skincare god. Like, I used to have like fungal acne. Actually, I still have a little like tiny bumps here, and I have like back acne. And whenever I have like doubts on like a skincare product, or like I have questions on like certain skincare ingredients, I'll just like head over to her channel or her Instagram. And then now that she has her own skincare line, definitely I had to get it. So I'm just gonna do a 1 month review on her products. And yeah, we shall see. Keep a lookout on that video. Anyway, right now I'm using this Fenty Beauty concealer. Loving this concealer. And then mine is in the shade 230. I have a review on this particular concealer on my channel. You guys can go check it out. Recently, I think Fenty Beauty came out with their frontal mascara. Some people say it was good, and some people say it was like pretty shit. It's like a hit or miss thing. I wasn't actually that interested to get the frontal mascara because previously I was just like super into eyelash extensions. Now I'm done with my concealer. The concealer is like super hydrating. I like it, especially under my eyes. And then forgot to put it here. Actually, the redness here today is pretty okay. So I'm just not gonna put on any more concealer because, you know, on Valentine's Day when you're going out on a date, you don't want your concealer, your base to be like super cakey. Recently guys are like so just so opinionated with like girls' makeup. Like, I don't know, like just go on a date with your girlfriend, that's it, and just be happy about it. Just don't comment on my makeup. Come on, like, I don't know, respect my makeup skills. Yep. Getting like super worked up. But anyways, have you girls ever like gotten this kind of like comment from a guy like, oh my god, you have so much makeup on? Like, I don't give a damn. I feel happy and I put on makeup for myself, not you or you or you. So I don't need it. Okay, anyways, right now I'm just gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Finish in number 1 Fair. Love this. It is like a compact powder, and then it's not too drying on my skin either, and it's just perfect. I really like it. Okay, I have these two palettes with me right now. Both are from Too Faced, and it's the Peach range. I really love them and they smell amazing. This is the Sweet Peach palette. And today I'm just gonna go for like a more peachy toned eye makeup. And then I have another matte peach palette here also. Both are like really nice. This one has like more shimmers, and this is all like pure matte. I probably forgot how to apply makeup. Like, what the heck am I even doing? I'm honestly questioning my makeup skills right now. Like, what is going on? What am I even doing? Oh my god, crap. Okay, chill. This girl needs to chill. It's just been too long since I last did my eyeshadow, so I'm getting a little bit rusty here, but it's okay. We're using this Real Techniques buffing brush to just like soften the edges. Because I only have this brown shadow right now, so it's just like deepening my crease. I'm just doing this little step to contour my crease, contour my eye. And we're going into this Candid Peach. Peach Tart. We are done with this eye here, and then we will go on with just putting on mascara. And then I have my lashes. Bam! With this, I love this mascara. It gets so thick and like fluffy. Right now I am going to bronze up my face with this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Look in a Palette. Gorgeous Glowing Beauty Palette. Such a mouthful. By Charlotte Tilbury. I am going to use this. I'm also going to use this blush here. It's a very nice blush shade. Just gonna focus the blush on here. This Glowgasm face palette from Charlotte Tilbury as well. Oh, look at this! So pretty! I'm just gonna go in with that to my highlight. Ooh, guys! Take a look at that. The nose, then Cupid's bow here, and then side of my nose. I always like to do this, so like it kinda opens up my eye also. I'll just use my finger and just go in here and just brighten this part. This is the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle Lippy in single. It's a nice peachy color. And this lippy. And then I'm gonna use this So Juicy lip gloss by Colourpop. It's called Let It Happen. So brows time. I'm using the same old. This is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I think this will do. Just adds a little bit of color and like just fill in my brows. Just gonna use this to set my brows, and then we're done. This is the Essence Clear Lash and Brow Gel. Just gonna brush it upwards, set it, and then we're done. Good to go. It's a very easy look. And I feel like I want to put on some like false freckles here using this e.l.f. Precise Brow again. Done with this makeup look, and I hope you guys like it. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys have any video ideas that you want to watch, or you just want to have a chat with me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.